Kia ora, geography students. Welcome to this video on how to read and understand the question in an NCA geography exam. Sounds simple. Remember though, it's part of 4 steps when you answer a question. Reading the question, planning your answer, writing your answer, and checking your answer. So we're going to focus on step 1 today, reading the question. Remember, geography questions can be really wordy. Don't see this as a challenge that puts you off. See it as an opportunity because all of the information you need is in there to help you. And as long as you can read the question, you're going to be just fine. When you read the question, read it 3 times. The first time, read it from top to bottom without doing anything. So just pause this video now and do that. The second time that you're going to read it is you're going to unpack the question, and that is by identifying keywords and rewriting them. So let me show you how to do that now. So start from the very top. We know that the question is going to be about interaction, and notice that the concept is outlined by the examiner just there. You're also going to be looking at interaction in a large natural environment. So in level 2, of course, that is Tongariro. You're going to name 2 processes that interact with your named case study. Okay? Processes to consider may include, and you've got a sum there. It says may include, so you can choose any processes that occur, whether they're in that list or not. But I'm going to choose 2 that are in the list. I'm going to look at climatic processes, and I'm going to look at how that interacts with movement. Okay? I'm going to write it in there. You'll be able to write better with your pens, I'm sure. So what you're going to actually do, you're going to fully explain the interaction between these processes. That's your keyword there, your what we call command word. Explain. What does that mean? That means to give reasons why. This pen is useless. There we go. Give reasons why. You're going to integrate comprehensive supporting evidence. Alright, that means that you're going to use information from your case study. Alright, from Tongariro in this case. You're going to make sure that you include the geographic concepts in some way, that's interaction, and you're going to try and use geographic terminology, that's geographic words. It also says you may include labelled sketch maps and or diagrams. It says may, but really you should be using maps and diagrams wherever you can. You will become the examiner's best friend if you do that. So watch the following video on how to plan out your answer to find out. Thanks for watching, folks. Of course, there is one last thing you need to do, which I forgot, but you shouldn't forget, is to read it a 3rd time with all of the annotations.